Hey guys, so basically I realized I haven't done like an updated makeup routine, and like that's so disrespectful to you guys because my makeup has been flawless for the most part. I feel like I got products that I like or whatever, that work for me or whatever, that got me looking like a baby gal or whatever. Yeah, I feel like I just kind of like started to glow up and just like popped out, was like what's good. Like it's not like I haven't been doing my makeup in videos, but I kind of was just like, I'm gonna do my makeup and like not gonna go into depth of like why I do things and whatnot. I mean, I just like playing in makeup and it's fun, but I also like to look good. So I feel like I got a routine ish down where I look good. So we're just gonna like, I don't know. We just gonna take a ride into my face real quick, and I'm just gonna start doing the things that I would do normally. I have, I don't know. I feel like, do I want to do? I have two routines. I have a lazy day routine where it's like I want to look like I did something, but I really don't feel like wearing foundation on my face. Or become beat to the gods. I feel like my beats though are like not beats anymore. I don't do beats. Like I have an everyday skincare routine. I mean, yee. Anyways, I have an everyday like I look like, if I want to look like I did something. You know what? I should film that like after. I should film that after this so you guys can see because I like it. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this Youth Skin Smoother from the Body Shop. I don't use primers, but this, you know, it's gonna make it look like my face is porcelain. No, I'm kidding. Right now I've been having breakouts, so I feel like it's gonna do something, but I don't really use primers. I don't. I'm such a lazy person. Like I have a primer that I like don't use. I don't feel like it does anything, to be honest. For me, like if you set your makeup and you like hydrate your skin, I feel like you'll be alright, to be honest. Okay, now which foundation do I want to use? Okay, I'm gonna just show you the ones that I usually go for. So normally I'll go for the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and this is in Walnut, which I'm pretty sure is darker than me, but it works out when because my forehead and my face don't match up. And I either go in with 370 Bronze, and this is what is it called? This is like my shade for majority of my face. But yeah, so we're gonna go in with that. And I really look a whole mess when I be doing my makeup, because why must it make sense? And when I put on foundation, I try not to put on a lot of foundation, to be honest. See, like this is like a match. Like this is like a match for me. I try not to put up a lot. Like I just want the majority of my face covered, but that's it. Like I'm not looking for coverage because I'm really about to go in with some I'm really about to go in with some concealer and all of that, and I want to feel like nothing's on my face, if that makes sense. So make sure to get the perimeter of your face, because you don't want to be out here looking masky, okay? That's not cute at all. So yeah, and Maybelline is like my tried and true. I feel like my first foundation was Maybelline Fit Me. But yeah, I finally found like a my shade, because like I had like a darker shade that I would use to contour, in like a highlight shade, or I would just like mix shades. But shout out to Target because they had deep bronze, and then I was like, I feel like this is my shade, and then it turned out to be my shade and stuff, so that's good. And yeah, I just want it to look, I go for like I want to say in my mind like my beat is natural, but for people that don't wear makeup, they're gonna be like putting sensitive stuff on your face. But I feel like I've chilled. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I've chilled out with the amount of makeup that I be doing, and I really don't be putting foundation on my forehead, to be honest. But like not like, cause this, I don't put bearded lace because then the lace is cloggable. I mean, so yeah. Oh, I usually do my brows first, but whatever. So next I have this product that I got, shout out to Marshalls and TJ Maxx. Literally like Marshalls and TJ Maxx be having my back and it's crazy. So this is the, ooh, this is gonna be a problem. Okay, I can see it. This is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer, and it's in dark golden, and this is like a, it's like an orange shade, but it's not an orange shade, and I feel bougie because the Becca's like high end, but it go like, do you know how like people be doing makeup on like YouTube and like you just see it and it just goes, like the foundation, like I feel like with this foundation, the what is it called, deep bronze, like dark golden is like perfect for it. And like because deep bronze is like my skin tone for the most part, it's like perfect for it. Like it gives me that perfect highlight where I'm not doing too much, you know. And like I just highlight mostly under my eyes and all that, but I'm not doing too much with it. I'm really not, like it's just like cool, like I want to look highlighted, but then again, like if I really want to look extra highlighted, then I go in with like a lighter foundation or whatever. So yeah, while I'm doing that, I'm probably gonna do my brows because I don't know, I only have like 2 brow pencils that I use, and yeah. Oh, secret that I didn't, no, I'm about to do it. Actually, I'm not gonna do my brows. I'm about to set my brows to be done because yeah, so I'm gonna go in with Got2b. Yes, I said Got2b Boots, right? And I'm gonna put it on my spoolie like a little bit, and I'm about to comb through my brow hairs because this is how I get my brows to last all day long, because why not, my brow hairs don't want to cooperate. So I'll literally like go in and I'm coating them in the Got2b spray. Because they're going nowhere. Like my lace frontal, they're going nowhere. So yeah, I like to do that. Oh. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna blend the concealer because we not doing too much. I'm just gonna blend it. I feel like when I feel like I want to blend it, then I'm gonna blend it, and that's what it did. And also, this just blends really nice into my skin, and it just works well because it's like, it's luminous, and then when I set it, because I set my face like there's no tomorrow, it just works well. What is going, Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so then I go in with setting powder, and lately, I'm not gonna lie, I've been reaching for the luxury powder by Makeup Revolution in terracotta. But I also, like, my ride or die was Maybelline in Deep. I think today I'm gonna use Maybelline, to be honest. And I don't think I'm gonna bake just because I'm not in a baking mood. But I would bake, and you know, you bake for how long you want to. But I don't feel like doing that today. Yeah, so what do I want to do? To be honest, I don't be contour my nose like that anymore, because I mean I will, but I'm not. Like, I used to have my nose snatched, and I feel like this is just the point in my life where you can tell, like, I'm just like not bothered at all. Like, I don't, like, I don't care. Or maybe it's like, you know, when you get, like, when there's older people, not older people, like mature people, when they do their makeup and they just like enhance what they already have. I feel like that's what I'm doing. Like, I'm just like, this is what it is, and like, yeah. So like, even if I do contour, it's like the lightest. And I always used to love watching people that did their makeup like this, where they would just like, you know, like they would have makeup on, but it's just like, it's still like, they just like, it's like a paintbrush. Like, they're, you know, with the artist like Van Gogh or something, they just like, that's what they look like when they do their makeup. And I don't know, I used to like that. I mean, I liked watching that. Like, I love watching people that do that. And I feel like I used to be so structured about my makeup, and now I'm just like I don't care. And I don't know if it's just me being more secure in myself. I feel like I always have, but it's just like where I'm just like, I don't have time. Like, your girl has things to do. So, no, I'm kidding. There are some days where I like beat my face, but I feel like I'm just more like, I like the look of not, I like the unstructured look where like things are blended and it looks okay. You know, it just looks like you just like literally when you do this, but then it like comes out and it's like a masterpiece. But yeah, I don't really contour my nose anymore, and I still haven't done my brows. That is crazy. What do I want to use? What brow pencil do I want to use? I feel like I'm just gonna use this one. I use a black brow pencil. It's like a, oh, I need to sharpen it. It's like a, it is a powder pencil. Like, I found it, and like, you know how like you're not supposed to, I mean, you're whatever, not supposed to, you can do whatever you want. It's your face, and no one can tell you what to do with your face, to be honest. Because I used black brow pencils and I made it work. It looked fine. But yeah, it's a NYX crayon eyebrow powder pencil. I was reading the French side, and I was, yeah, okay. And I don't really care about like structured brows either. I'm going more for like the feathery brow look, where you can see most of my brow hairs, and I feel like this product helps me achieve that. Where it's like, I have eyebrows. My eyebrows used to be so thick, by the way, and I'm pressed that they're not anymore. I got them waxed one time. Not one time, but this one time that I got them waxed, the brow lady messed up my eyebrows, and like, right now I don't even like go to get my eyebrows waxed, and they won't grow back. And I keep on telling myself I'm gonna put Jamaican black castor oil on it to make it better or whatever. I haven't, because I'm so lazy. Like, I was literally in bed last night and I was like, do I want to go put Jamaican black castor oil on my brows? And I was like, better not, because I really was tired, and like I remembered, but like I didn't want to go do it. And then I like lift up my brows, so like that line that I drew is not there, because it's not supposed to be detectable. Well, the look that I'm going for, I don't want it to be detectable. I just want it to brows, you know? Like when I feel like my mom's eyebrows, my mom has like thick, like the thickest brows ever, and I love her brows. And she goes and she gets them done, but her brows are like thick anyways, and it's just nice. And I'm just like, I used to have those brows. Those brows used to be mine, but like literally I don't. And I'm just trying to like grow them out. That's why I'm not doing anything to them. I'm just like, yeah, I'd rather have like squiggly brows, and like I'll just conceal them. Like I'll never wax my brows again. But they won't come back to me. Like, baby, come back, but they won't. So it's sad. And then I go in with that concealer again. Where's the brush? I'll go in with the same concealer, which is the Becca, and I use that to arch my. Ooh, this is a good song. And I use that, and I'm using a Morphe M432. I feel like I've heard this before. Oh. Yeah, the other brushes are just from a set. I don't know why I said this one, because I know, maybe because I just know what the brush is, but the other ones are from a set. Go ahead. Stop trying to mess up my brows. I really love the consistency of this concealer. That's why I want to use it like all over my face. I have the Luminous Silk foundation, but I don't use it because I don't like either of them are like, I feel like I have to mix them when I use them because I just don't have my right shade. Or maybe it's just because it's like, it might not even be that, to be honest. The consistency of it is like the foundation is like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more, and like, subscribe.